Hello, future macrame artists, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to share with you what are the tools and materials you have to get for you to kickstart your macrame journey and how much does it cost. The most important materials in doing macrame is of course the rope, because without this you cannot make a macrame art. This macrame rope, the price varies. It depends where you are in the world. I am from Singapore, so like this type of rope, this costs about $20 to $30 in Spotlight. But if you are not really in hurry to get a rope, so maybe you can go online shop like Lazada. They sell a much more cheaper rope there. The range about $8 to $15. Then you can get the same rope. I like to use 4mm cotton rope. I like the classic white, like this type. Yep. Next thing you have to get is scissors. Yes, of course, because you need to cut all those ropes. This pair of scissors, I get it from Art Friend. It costs about $3.47. Next is the measuring tape. So I personally use this kind of measuring tape. This is for carpentry works, but it works fine with me. It's more longer. That it just cost me $2, and this is free from one of our friend wedding favors. If you have this at home, then you can also use this one. Next thing, if you are really very serious of doing this macrame art, then you have to get a hanging rack. Yes, like this one. This is my hanging rack. I bought this in IKEA and it cost me about $24.90. Next thing you need is you need to get this hook. This is where you can hook your wood stick. This hook cost me about $2 also. I get it from Daiso. Okay, this wood stick, I bought this online. This stick that I use for this project, I bought it in Art Friend. It's $5.78. But if you just want to try macrame crafting and you're not really doing it for a long term, then I suggest you don't have to buy this hanging rack. You can just use any spot in your house where you can hook this one. Like this handle, this is our window handle. Before I use this to hang all my ropes, so I can just use this hook here, and I can start my macrame here. See? So let's calculate how much do you need to spend to start your macrame art. So let's say you bought this for $20. Next thing we need the scissors, right? Scissors is $2 from Daiso. If you already have scissors in your house, then you don't have to buy a new pair of scissors. So the one we can strike off. Next thing is the measuring tape. This measuring tape you can buy $2 in Daiso, but I guess every household got measuring tape, so you also don't have to buy a new measuring tape for your macrame. So we're gonna strike this off too. A hanging rack. Like what I said, if you just want to try how to do a macrame, then you don't have to buy and use your clothes hanging rack outside, or you can use any handlebar in your house. Okay, for Singapore, this is very common in the house, but if you really don't have hook, then you have to get it from your art store or Daiso. Daiso is only $2. And a wooden stick. So I suggest for those beginners, you don't have to buy those rich wood, expensive wooden stick. You can just grab from outside those fallen branch from the trees, or get it from Daiso again. It's $2, the 10mm 1 meter one. Most of my materials I get it from Daiso because it's really cheap there. $20 for the rope, $2 for the hook, and $2 for the wooden stick. It costs you $24 overall to start a macrame craft. For one rope like this, I can make a macrame wall hanging deco. If you want to see how I do it, you can check out the link below and see how to do a 10-minute macrame for beginners. Doing macrame art, you really need to have time, you need to have patience, and you need to have creativity. If you have these three, then your future is bright, my friend. So all macrame beginners, welcome and enjoy this journey because you are gonna love it. It is fun. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that red button, subscribe now, give me a hug, give me a kiss, and see you to my next video.